ufuna umfana ukuthi maye ethi kimi mama kuzwakala ukuthi uyayibi into ayikhulumayo la uyayizwa ukuthi uthini. Ufuna umfana othi kimi thatha into entsha, hayi ukuthi umuntu yabuza ukuthi ufuna ngikuthengeleni ngoba angazi ngaba lependile into njalo. Ufuna umuntu okwazi ukuthi inkazana iphathwa njani. Lo muntu okwazi ukuthanda wangahlisi incane.
Alright, ufuna umuntu okwazi ukuthanda. Yes man. Yamuzwa futhi.
Mlaleli.
So far into azikhulumile uzizwa njani ngayo?
Kimi. Mina ngiyakwazi type engifuna yabona inkazana. So njengoba uthena cheese boy wathi ngeke ngithi ukuthi mina ngingu-cheese boy, angazi abanye abantu, but yeah into ayikhulumile it makes sense. Ku-right for yena athi yena ufuna indoda, like angeke ngimphikise ngithi ukuthi ngiyakwana ucategory nale kumankwana, but isikhiwa kuphela ukusikhuluma. Ngiyasikhuluma because ngasifunda yabo, amfundelanga isikhiwa ara. So and I like ukuthi ngikhulume ngesikhiwa. Bro, amvuke kusenze esikolo. No. So yabo, so yikho phela futhi ngithe ngifuna umuntu osmart, onjani, o-intelligent yabo, umuntu like ingqondo zami la into ezihambelanayo.
Intelligent.
Yabo. So isikhiwa bese ngena khona
futhi. Singakhulumeni singabuzani level of intelligence yami.
Alright.
It's way above.
When it's way above my
lapho ku-right if singakhulumi ngazathi sikhulume ngakho, but ku-right yabo kukhanya nje andithi ndadinga izi-layer out kuphela ukuthi hlale kwazakala.
Alright, what's your red flag emfaneni? Umfana ohlale available. For real.
Akumelanga indoda alright. Akumelanga umuntu ethi wami abe alright. Angisoli ukuthi uyabufuna ukuthi isikhatha, but angeke ngithi every time ngoba mina ngisebenza, mina ngilinde isikole ukuthi mina ngoba ngihlala ngisendlini mangithi hayi uvela uthi hey mawuthi khona impedlozi i-conversation yethu ihlibe khona khona.
So ufuna ngani kuba nzima bijani?
Ngeke ngihlale isikhathi ngikhale ngithi ngithanda kumuntu wami. Yeah, ngifuna umuntu ukuthi ngihlala isikhathi.
Awufuni imampama yini bijani?
Hayi khona lapho.
Nguye vele wanathi ngani yakho very njitsa bijani. Ngiyakutshela ke ngani yakho dabura ngamampama 2 seconds.
Ngifuna ukuthi ngeke ngithi maye intambama athi sorry mama bengiphilise ngisabudinga imali something like that. Hayi ukuthi sonke sihlala sihleze endlini every day sidliwa sidliwa abazali. It's not okay for a man. Yes.
Alright, siyamuzwa. Yamuzwa bra.
Mlaleli.
Wena i-red flag yakho usiphatheleni i-red flag?
Ngithandi like umuntu so ungahambelana. Umuntu ukuthi mina ngikhuluma ngesikho, umuntu oklingi kakhulu, like umuntu ofuna ukuhlala nje yabo, hlale lami, ngihlale futhi ukukhuluma, ngiyakukhumbula, bro, me I need ukuthi kume kancane nje yabo. Lami ngithanda ngibe lesikhathi sami sokuthi okay ngithi laba phela kule nto eshoda yabo, then I can like get to say ukuthi sesishona sisibonana every day. No. I need time ukuthi ngikukhumbule yabo. So anthandi umuntu oklingi, anthandi umuntu ophapha futhi umuntu ophonga ukukhuluma izinto ezinjani njalo.
Wena wayesithona awuthandi umuntu ophapha. Bathe ukuzithatha uthanda umuntu onjani? Or mina ngibehlekile.
Kana wena uyaphapha. Indaba ngani ngiyako ratsisa.
Mina ukuthi ngiyaphapha hayi ngiyakwazi. Mina hayi ngiyaphapha.
Ngendlela yenza ngathi phongo kule muntu ophaphayo khona ngela ngqonda. Eziphaphe phela kule order phela.
Ungela ngqondo kanjani man? Upapa ungela ngqondo kanjani? Upapa ungela ngqondo kanjani?
Nje umuntu ophongo me futhi okunyani like impilo yami sometimes ku social media. Thandi nje umuntu ophongo post izinto ezingani zinjani like umuntu ogcwele yonke indawo.
Umuntu baphapha.
I-idea yami yomuntu ophaphayo. But meze la uphaphile ukhana phela uthi okay mina nami ukuphapha ngiyaphapha ngiyala. But sokwami yabona kule limit ukuthi ngiyaphelela lapha.
Okusala yaphapha.
Okusala ngiyaphapha. But okwami kule limit.
Hayi umuntu uphapha ekuphapha. In general.
La uyaphapha.
Mina ngiyaphapha la uyaphapha sonke siyaphapha.
Khona siyabona ukuthi uphapha kakhulu.
Hayi.
Ukubonisana.
Yabona kuyibhesi nyana kuyavumbuluka la kunandelela. Kuthiwa vele awumtholi umithe ama-expectations akho. Mara hayi anyaliza. Selifuna ukubonana?
Man,
hayi azange selibonana abe ngibuza. So far manje njengoba selikhulumile so wena uzizwa njani ngayo so far?
Ngisasele ma questions.
Ungabuza. Yafunda?
Amfundi.
Yasebenza?
Angisebenzi.
Uyenzani ngempilo?
I'm hustling. I'm trying to make something out of nothing.
Uzama something.
Since when for umfazi or educated. When I level of education
oqala anzangathi ngifuna umfazi onjani o-educated ngithe ngifuna umuntu just intelligent like phonga kuba like le knowledge kuphela and for my type of woman futhi okunye ngifuna umuntu ngifuna umuntu like umkazana ozenzela like umuntu olezinto zakhe like someone maybe uthi ufuka ufunda or whatever umuntu astartayo or ule business or anything like that but umuntu olezinto zakhe herself futhi mina uyabe ngandingi ngesikhathi sangikhona like for me to provide izinto okay cool maybe sengakwenza but I need umuntu la olezinto zakhe yabo umuntu ozenzela umuntu umkazana othanda ukuba independent I can't depend like him yabo mina ngiyaphonga ukuba i-edon kuphela yabo.
Did you hear that?
Ngimzwile bangibuza amabandla.
Amfundanga nje ngaya lesikole form 3. But I'm very intelligent by the way.
Manje uthela score?
Because it wasn't for me. Wangasikho kwami mina ngiyazi into engifuna out of this life yabo. So what's the point of ukuhamba isikole?
That's very offensive donation.
It's not about you, it's about me. Mina. You could tell mina I saw. Yeah. It's for me and kumela abanye for me.
Unafuna ukuba kwazi level of education.
I do. Ngathi ufuna ukungitshela but
do you wanna share with us?
I mean ngathina ko A level.
How many points?
Alright. 15 points.
Oh wow.
Oh, that's nice. Izinto engikhuluma ngazo nje ukuthi uthola unkazana ongani ngela sikole no.
So how do you feel about hearing 15 points? Yeah,
I can see ukuthi umuntu like yabo umuntu going in the right direction like right nje if man so I put my 15 points are you like ufukuzama futhi ukuqhubeka like varsity or
yeah the school of
actors yeah that's nice all right very good
all right guys I think lapan sisima khona ngale ebamboleni
yeah, ngcobuza. What's your love language? And it's weird to ask this on the applying, but I just want to know. Abantu phela bangawazi umbuzo lo.
Njengami so.
La kuthi kuchoni.
No, ngiyabuza but khona lapha mase ufuna impendulo.
Noma wani kuphela.
Kanti mina baba ngayo.
Akazi. Wena wakho wonke umuntu nomuntu like le number yakhe yabo.
Hayi lokho ufuna sisikhuluma sesingasekho lapha.
Okay, cool. So
ngaselami. Alingcothi njalo. Vele seli already selingcothi. Now all right, it's fine. Whether do you have any questions before libona?
Around.
Where do you stay, my guy?
Angihlali around. Angihlali around
yo kalaba lithi around what
lapha esikhona
eduze
la awuhlali around utheka hlali around
all right
so
do you think uthi akumbone or
very level esekhangiyazi ngiyaqala lokuyizwa khona la maybe ngiyayifakisa but
in terms of your voice how do you feel?
It's It's not what I was expecting, but it's
What were you expecting? You over expected.
At least it's something.
Something like what?
Like,
Intoni ntombazana.
iyatshona banzi, but it's better than
Uvona ivoice ngiyatshona.
ngoba kusemendala abantu phela so hayi.
Me, I'm not at least. Ungathi at least. Othi it's something.
Uvona
Me-
ivoice echonayo baba.
when they actually kumbayishoni, me I don't like care, but ungathi at least. For which it's something, yabo.
Ikaphela it's better than nothing.
I'm not better than nothing. Me, I'm better. Ungafaka nothing. Yabo.
All right.
We are going to that time. Olukhayile ngale to
Nga,
your right side.
nga.
Now olukhayile to your left side.
That's all.
Wena ngo to the 15 points.
Angifundayo khona mina A-level.
Alright, lingakhipha ama-mask. But don't tatazela. Are you ready? Ziyatsatsa lapha bakwethu, ziyatsatsa. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Alright. You can look at each other. Lingabhekana.
Again.
Aye.
Can't believe what you mean that they could have
Indaba.
Mufandi, like
Kufani ngani?
mntwana.
Cha umntwana.
Thina usule face umntwana omncane.
Cha ufisa umntwana.
Offensive.
Sorry, but bekuyikhathi u-expect ukuthi bekuwumuntu onje kumbe u-expect
I
ukuthi
feel like your face of looks familiar, so I'm sure.
Ufamiliar ta.
Iko phela lami ngithi I think ngeke ngakubona maybe somewhere.
Yerebena nshike.
So ufila njalo ngoba
Lifila njani? Selibonene. How do you feel, guys? Yerebena nshike.
lapha kwakemi me
How
like
do you feel when?
different because yabona like ngesikhathi ngivalekile that is kuba nakathesi yabo so angazi songathi vele bengani khale so ngani kumbe sengikhuluma lomunye umuntu sengani sengikhuluma lomunye umuntu
Yerebena nshike.
Ngiyamuzwa.
What do you say about umfana nani?
It's alright.
Alright, I'll say that comment. Unazwi shuthu.
khala besigasa
Ukhuluma.
isikhathi sonke lesala jeko bekhuluma khala
You're some
lesethu
confident,
Sengidu.
Ushaya?
Hayi, ngishaya.
For real. Sikuvala ukhuluma.
Hayi, ngishaya la.
wakhona usibashaya kathesi
Ngoba kade sengikhanyile lehle.
Yerebena nshike. Ungabi intenge ntwana. Chila. Behliso la. Mtshela ungesa.
Angisela lutho ngibuzile ngathela impendulo zami.
Already, how do you feel? Ngombona.
Ngoba
Uthini?
right.
Alright. We go on a date with him.
As long as it's ngiyadlala. Yes.
So, but uyavuma vele ukuthi
Ah.
ngiyaqwela. Uyavuma.
Maybe singazana more.
Uthi lingayazana mba.
yeah all right
Yeah, wala you don't mind.
I'm my and your hair is long zinhle kodwa inwele zakho
Life is a scam.
ngani ngani
Khona mbona kana la mthili nje. So,
On a relationship, what do you bring on the table?
lo umbuzo onjani ozama ukuthi
Like, let's say you are in a relationship. What do you bring in the table?
nxa
Uletha ntoni?
ku relationship letha
Etafuleni.
mina
Kuphela.
in my brains
Uthi
in my love
uyazivisa yena ngengqondo zakhe etafuleni. Eleno lobabili makuyikuthi kuyabe kuhambe wena uthini?
so sizala. Sizala.
thwalizadla ntoni my brains come with money with me I come with everything
Uthi uba nani? nayo yonke
yikho phela ungayizwa sithi me ayikho nti mphomu kubuya ngilengisa izandla no me yabo there is a lot of things kimi la yabo wena what do you bring to the table?
I'm not even hustling.
Mntanami ngingumntwana ngisebenza.
When you are hustling.
Sometimes hustle ayisebenzi.
But when you can try to make ends meet. I mean, I can't make ends meet. But I'm an independent woman. Girl.
Lovely to know. So ngivile khuluma ngensizwa lezi. Cha indoda.
Ufuna umzulu. Yeah, ufuna umzulu. So guys, I think for today we will bring another one, the second date with them. Okay. So guys, how do you feel?
None.
More first. You already got the number. When how do you feel?
Yeah, alright.
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 So we're going to stand out.
After you khuluma phela after yabo.
Alright, YouTube. Thank you very much. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Say bye.